Puppypalooza is an opportunity for students to come mingle with people that are breeders, owners that go to the hospital side. It also gives them a chance to practice their physical exams, injections, microchips, basically practice all the skills that they gain during their first year.
So Puppy Palooza started many years ago, and in recognition that a lot of our veterinary students never had the opportunity to handle these small little 7 to 8 week old puppies that they're going to see in practice. And we have a lot of really good breeders here. And so we said, hey, we offer to give your guys vaccines and good physical exams. Would you let our students be involved? And so that's kind of how the first one happened.
Well, I'm Renee Bateson, and I'm here because I'm a golden breeder. I breed for longevity and health, specifically for companions and competition breastfeeds. We use Virginia Tech for all of our reproductive needs for our girls and our windowing. There's shortages in the veterinary industry. It's harder and harder to find reproductive specialists and specialists that are willing to go the extra mile and be there. They often need services on weekdays or at midnight, and they're always there.
I love everyone because they have those smiles on their faces as soon as they get to pick up the puppies and hold them. And for the first time that they actually get to see or hear something that they haven't had a chance to, and then that's at a point for us to have a conversation with them to talk about, okay, well, what do we do with it? If this was in your practice, what would you do?
For the club, I believe that it helps them gain further understanding because they're able to actually apply what they learned. It's different from when you're learning stuff in the lecture and you memorize it for an exam, but then when you apply it in real life, it solidifies it, your memory. It's much better.